So we're in the British Street Food Awards, but we can't take this great big shipping container with us, so we bought this. This is a horse box, and we're going to convert it in the next 4 weeks into a food truck. Yeah, open her up. There's a dead horse in there, I'm off.
Oh, I've got some work to do.
Yeah, so the first job is to rip all this out. We're going to use this high mirror exterior gloss from B&Q. We are painting the horse box black, our brand colour, and we're going to rip out the inside and we're going to strip it out so we've got a good base to start from. Mission getting the tiles off. I think they're attached with no more nails. Nice clean canvas. So keeping the cost down, John's put some old pallet wood up here on the walls. The little hand wash sink is going here. Pallet wood across the top. This is going to go above the shelf where the stove and the fryer is going to be. And I'm going to put a fan here just on the back. This little sink came with the box when we bought it. It's got a hot water supply, which is great. Hubcap sprayed, egg yolk yellow. We're going to attach the sink here next to the cooking area, and the water tank for it can live just outside the side door.
Hello? Oh.
Sink's attached, and a wipeable plastic backboard for easy cleaning. Feed the plug, yummy, yummy plug.
Hungry plug.
Feed the plug, yummy, yummy, yum. Now we're adding the sockets. Keeping costs down, I found all the scaffolding in a skip. We're going to use this for the counter frame and a frame for the outside back ramp. And now for a final lick of paint inside, ready for stage 2 of the box.